Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're taking a closer look at a name that holds a special place in automotive history. The Ford Capri is making headlines once again, and enthusiasts across the globe are eager to see what the 2026 Ford Capri brings to the modern era. The Capri represents much more than just a car. It symbolizes freedom, style, and the excitement of driving something that feels genuinely special. The original Capri earned the nickname, the car you always promised yourself. And now Ford is attempting to capture that same magic for a new generation. From the very first glance, the 2026 Ford Capri makes a strong impression. The design team has successfully blended nostalgic elements with contemporary styling cues, creating a vehicle that feels familiar yet completely modern. The front fascia is sleek and purposeful. Slim LED headlights stretch elegantly toward the fenders, giving the Capri a sophisticated appearance. The closed-off grille design contributes to aerodynamic efficiency, while maintaining a bold presence on the road. The sculpted hood flows seamlessly into the windshield, creating a clean profile that emphasizes motion and elegance. Every line appears intentional, helping the Capri achieve an athletic stance without becoming overly aggressive. As you move toward the side profile, the Capri's coupe-inspired silhouette immediately stands out. The gently sloping roofline gives the vehicle a sporty character, while carefully defined shoulder lines enhance its visual strength. Large alloy wheels complement the proportions perfectly, depending on the trim level. Buyers can expect distinctive wheel designs that add individuality to the Capri's appearance. Flush-mounted door handles contribute to both aesthetics and aerodynamic performance. These subtle details demonstrate Ford's attention to modern design trends. At the rear, the Capri continues to impress. Full-width LED taillights create a striking signature, especially during nighttime driving. The integrated spoiler adds a touch of sportiness while assisting with aerodynamic stability. The rear bumper design maintains a clean and premium appearance. Unlike some performance-oriented vehicles that rely heavily on visual drama, the Capri embraces sophistication and restraint. Opening the door reveals an interior designed around comfort, technology, and usability. The cabin immediately feels welcoming. High-quality materials cover key touch points, creating an environment that feels more premium than previous generations of Ford products. Supportive, front seats provide excellent comfort for daily commuting while remaining capable of accommodating longer journeys with ease. Available leather upholstery and contrast stitching enhance the upscale atmosphere. The driving position is one of the Capri's greatest strengths. Drivers sit confidently behind the wheel, enjoying excellent forward visibility and easy access to essential controls. Directly ahead sits a fully digital instrument cluster. The display offers customizable layouts, allowing drivers to prioritize navigation instructions, efficiency data, or traditional speedometer information. The large central touchscreen acts as the command center for the vehicle's infotainment functions. Ford's latest interface provides quick access to entertainment features, navigation services, climate controls, and vehicle settings. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility ensure seamless smartphone integration. Drivers can access music streaming applications, make phone calls, and receive navigation guidance without unnecessary distractions. Voice command functionality further simplifies interactions with the system, promoting safer operation while on the move. Passengers benefit from thoughtful storage solutions throughout the cabin. Cup holders, wireless charging pads, USB ports, and practical compartments contribute to everyday convenience. Rear seat accommodations are surprisingly generous considering the Capri's coupe-inspired design. Adults can travel comfortably, making the vehicle suitable for both families and active lifestyles. Cargo capacity also deserves recognition. The rear luggage area provides ample space for shopping trips, weekend getaways, or sporting equipment. Now let's talk about performance. The 2026 Ford Capri is expected to offer multiple powertrain configurations designed to appeal to a broad range of customers. Depending on the market, buyers may have access to efficient electric propulsion systems, delivering both impressive performance and practical range. Acceleration is expected to be smooth and responsive. Instant torque delivery provides confident overtaking capabilities and effortless city driving. Drivers seeking a more engaging Experience may appreciate performance variants offering enhanced power. Outputs and sharper dynamics, ride quality remains a priority. Ford engineers have worked diligently to ensure that the Capri balances comfort with agility. The suspension system effectively absorbs road imperfections while maintaining composure through corners. Whether navigating urban environments or exploring scenic highways, the Capri inspires confidence. Steering response feels predictable and accurate. Drivers remain connected to the road without sacrificing everyday refinement. Safety. Technologies further strengthen the Capri's appeal. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Parking sensors and available camera systems simplify maneuvering in crowded areas. Traffic, sign recognition, and driver attention monitoring provide additional peace of mind. Efficiency remains another key consideration. Improved aerodynamics, advanced battery technologies, and intelligent energy management systems contribute to impressive driving range and reduced operating costs. Let's discuss pricing. Although official figures may vary depending on market availability and trim levels, industry estimates suggest that the 2026 Ford Capri could begin around $45,000. Higher specification models, equipped with premium features and enhanced performance capabilities, may exceed $60,000. While this places the Capri within a competitive segment, buyers receive a compelling combination of distinctive styling, advanced technology, and emotional appeal. What truly sets the Capri apart, however, is its character. It isn't trying to imitate traditional SUVs. It isn't attempting to become an uncompromising sports car instead. It occupies a unique position, offering style, comfort, versatility, and enjoyment in equal measure. The original Capri succeeded because it gave ordinary drivers access to something that felt extraordinary. The 2026 Ford Capri appears determined to continue that tradition as anticipation continues to build. One thing becomes increasingly clear. The Capri name still has the power to spark excitement. If Ford delivers on the promise suggested by early impressions, the 2026 Capri could become one of the most interesting vehicles in the brand's modern lineup. Thank you for joining us for today's first look at the 2026 Ford Capri. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest automotive reviews and first look features. Let us know in the comments what you think about the return of the Capri. You choose it over other stylish crossovers and electric vehicles currently available on the market. Until next time, drive safely, follow your passion, and we'll see you in the next video.
Rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. I love your style, and I love your grace. Said I love to put a smile on your pretty little face. I love it when you're close to me. That's where I want you to always. Said I love to put a smile on your pretty little face. I love it when you're close to me. That's where I want you to always be. I didn't know when I found you that I would find a love so true. And you can see it in my eyes. That girl, you've got me hypnotized. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise promise you for sure. Girl, my love is always yours.